Hi, I'm Avery, and this is Black Hole. It creeps up on you before you know it's there, like a due date for a project. The first day of school. You've planned for everything except for this anxiety that becomes sleepless nights staring at the ceiling. A hole in your stomach that doesn't go away. And because you care so much about the unimportant things, you stop caring about the important things. Stop going out to eat with your family. Stop texting your friends. Stop showing up. Stop sleeping. Stop eating. Stop living. Stop! But you can't stop because your body insists on working for you even on 6 hours, 5 hours, 4 hours of sleep. There comes a time when you have to set 5 alarm clocks, otherwise you won't wake up in time and you don't know what else to do. This is a free response question on a multiple choice test, and you don't know the answer. How to get out of this cycle before it's too late? It might be too late. Perhaps it's a gift that most days you feel cold, numb, which is a feeling, by the way. You're always analyzing the world around you. You always have. It comes naturally. So naturally, you think about your feeling numb and cold, and you think about how this is so wrong. To be this way, to live this way, when you were promised so much more. When you want so much more, because you're tired of always having to censor yourself in front of others, of bottling it all up, stashing it away deep inside, of the fact that you build walls to keep people away, when all you really want them to do is notice you. Notice your pain. See you. Help you. The few times you do share, people worry. Your parents look at you like you're crazy. Your friends don't want to hang out with you anymore. At least that's the way you imagine them reacting. If you told them, if you talked to them, because you don't anymore, not really. Because you might be dangerous. You might be dangerous, and so you decide, why not be dangerous? And then comes the explosion. We all knew it was coming, even though we tried to pretend otherwise. A supernova. In a final burst of light, a fireball so many times hotter than the heat of our sun, so warm. And then comes the quiet. And you're left to pick up the pieces. Are there any pieces left? Thank you.